no way are you going to be able to get this La Roche-Posay for $1. I couldn't believe this. I started putting deals together for you guys yesterday and I couldn't believe what I came up with. This is just one out of like 3 or 4 videos I'm going to be sharing with you of the craziest deals that I'm finding. And I just noticed today's Wednesday. We do not have any paper perks or paper, I'm sorry, not paper, digital boosters. I'm so excited. I'm like tongue twisted. So starting this Sunday, we do not have any digital perks. At least I have checked. I have consulted with a few people and no one has anything. We have like buy 2 oral care of P&G and get $5. That's it. That's like nothing. So do these deals this week before it ends. Today is Wednesday, so you still have time. All right, so let's get into the deal. So the paper is just for a background. It's part of a deal that I shared with you yesterday. So go check that out if you're interested in how to get that for $1. So go check that out. But anyway, this Roche Posay this week at Walgreens is $17.99 with a $3 digital coupon. And then this lipstick from L'Oreal, this is a shade that I picked. This lipstick from L'Oreal is actually on sale for $8 this week with a $5 digital coupon, which is already such a great deal. You're already saving more than 50% on it by itself. When you put them together, your total will be $25.99. The reason why we're reaching $25 at least is to participate in this week's beauty offer that when you spend $25 or more on select participating beauty items, you will get back $10 in a register reward. This is an in-store deal. So $25.99 is perfect. Now we're going to take off the $8 total for those digital coupons. We're going to bring down the total to $17.99. But you're going to get back $10 in a register reward from that beauty promotion. But also, I put in one of these. If you don't know how to get these, I have been posting them on my videos. You can pick up a picture of 4x6, only pay 12 cents for it, and it will generate one of these when you put your phone number. You can only do up to 5 a month, and I'm going to put the promo, I'm sorry, what is it again? The promo code. Yes, I'm going to put the promo code right up here. So you're going to be able to get an additional $5 in that case, not in a registered reward, but in points into your account. So at the end, you're going to pay $2.99 for these products, which is about $1.49 for each one. What an amazing deal. I'm going to do the breakdown of the math for you next. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos and to be notified when I post, but also really follow and like because you're going to be able to get notified when I post the other deals that I have for you, and share so that more people can enjoy the savings. On to the next one, and don't forget to smile. Check out the breakdown. So we have 17.99 plus the $8, 25.99 minus a total of 8 in discounts, and then you're going to take off 10 for the rewards you're going to get back and 5 for that booster. $2.99 when you divide it by 2, $1.49 each. Perfecto.